Assalamu alaikum, my dear students of class 4, morning shift and day shift. How are you? Hope all of you are fine by the blessing of Almighty Allah. Welcome back to our online platform NIEVS Home School. This is Muhammad Abul Kalam, Assistant Teacher of English, National Ideal English Version School. Dear learners, today I am going to conduct an English literature class for the students of class 4. Let's see our today's topic. It is model question number 13, page number 157 from your Advanced Learner Functional English. I am telling again, our today's topic is model question number 13, page number 157 from your Advanced Learner Functional English book. And our question number is, in our practice session, we will have question number 1 and 2. This is our lecture number 15. And homework number 15 also. So dear students, whenever we will practice our model questions, we will read the passage, that is comprehension, or it is called comprehension, from our EFT book or Advanced Learner. Now I request all of you to give your attention to open your Advanced Learner book or your EFT book to have a passage. So look here, I have given a page number 42 of your English for Today book. You can open your Advanced Learner page number 157. Here I have given the page number, but here I have taken the page number 42 from your EFT book. It is easy for me to collect. Okay, so look, it is unit number 21, Food Around the World. Title is Food Around the World. There are two characters. One is Alex, another one is Heba. So let's start reading the text at first. That means at first we will read the text properly. Then on the basis of this text, we will answer question number 1, it is matching, and question number 2, it is true false. At first, reading. Hi, I am Alex. I live in London. I am British. I start my day at 7 a.m. and I have breakfast at 8 o'clock. On weekdays, I usually have milk, cereal and an apple. Sometimes I have fried eggs with cheese and some juice. Apple juice is my favorite, but I like mango juice too. We don't grow many mangoes in our country, but we can get mangoes juice at the supermarket. These are all about Alex. We all know, and from the text we have come to know that Alex is from London and he is a British. Now we will read about Heba. Hello, I am Heba from Saudi Arabia. That means Heba is from Saudi Arabia. It is very hot here. That means Saudi Arabia is a hot country. So our school starts at 7 a.m. I get up at 5 in the morning and I have my breakfast at 6 o'clock. For breakfast, I usually have some hot beans and bread. Sometimes I have eggs. I drink juice almost every morning. Mango juice is my favorite, but I like orange juice too. We don't drink a lot of milk in our family. We don't like it very much. Now we have finished our reading from page number 42 of your English for Today. If you open your Advanced Learner, I have already do, you will get this passage at page number 157. Page number 157. Now on the basis of this passage, we will answer number 1 and 2. So look, it is answer number 1 is about matching. Match the words in column A with their meaning that are mentioned in column B. There are 2 extra. So look, here 5 are given, in column B 7 are given, 2 are extra. So look, London. So look here London A, London, in option it is written. So look here, pub price, no, a kind of liquid fish, no, name of a country. Yes, London is the name of a country. So look, in the answer section I have given A plus 3. That means A represents 1 and 3 is name of a country. At first the corresponding number A plus 3, then the words or sentence together. London hyphen name of a country. This thing is done. London and name of a country. 1 plus 3. B number, cereal. Look here, C-E-R-E-L, cereal. Okay, cereal is, so look here, pub price, yes, we can consider a kind of liquid food, no. A kind of hard food, no. to be fond of, to go away, more or less. So look here, cereal is puff rice. B number. B is related to 1. So look here, at first I have given corresponding number B plus 1, then cereal hyphen puff rice. Now see, it is almost. C number, almost. So look, a kind of liquid food, no, a kind of hard food, no, to be fond of, to go away, more or less. So look here, almost means more or less. C number, C is related to 7. C is related to 7. Almost, this more or less. Now D, like. So look, like. It is, we all know that like is related to be fond of. To be fond of. So look here, D plus 5. Like, to be fond of. Last, it is milk. So look here, milk is related to a kind of liquid food. That means E number is related to 2. E plus 2 or Roman 2, milk, a kind of liquid food. So we have got here 5 answers. Dear learners, whenever you will write the answer in your answer script or in your homework, you will write the answer like me. At first corresponding number, then the word side by side. Now we have true false. Write true or false beside the following statements. Alex is a British. So look here, Alex is a British. I have given the answer or written the answer. Answer is true. So from the text we have got that I am British. That means Alex is a British. Statement is true. Now B number. He takes his breakfast at 7 o'clock. So look here, in the text it is written I have breakfast at 8 o'clock. But in the statement it is written 7. That means the statement is false. So look, I have written here false. Now C number. It is written apple juice is Alex's favorite juice. It is written true. Let's see the proof. So look, written I usually have milk, cereal and an apple. Sometimes I have fried eggs, cheese and some juice. Apple juice is my favorite. So look, from the text we have got the sentence directly. Apple juice is Alex's favorite juice. D number. The people of London buy mangoes at the supermarket. The people of London buy mangoes at the supermarket because in that country, mangoes are not found available. So look here, it is written, we do not grow any mangoes in my country, but we can get mangoes like juice at the supermarket. Okay, that means the statements number D is true. The people of London buy mangoes at the supermarket. Next, E number. Saudi Arabia is a cold country. It is written cold, but if we go to the passage directly, we will see it is here, it is a hot country. That means the statement is false. False is written here. Last, true false. Heba likes mango juice. Okay, let's see. It is written schoolers morning. Usually I have some hot beans and sometimes I drink juice almost every morning. Mango juice is my favorite. So look here. That means mango juice is Heba's favorite juice. The statement is true. Now, dear learners, our last section is homework. It is matching question number 1. That means this one will be your homework. Okay, at first you will pick up, then answer you will follow me as I have written. Pick up the sentence, then answer. Dear learners, I hope this class will help you very much. That model question 13 and other model questions will be practiced also. You will get short syllabus very soon. Please practice at home and do your homework properly. This model question will help you very much to cut a good figure in your upcoming annual examination. See you again, inshallah. Assalamu alaikum.